I'm super hungry and I'm a mess eating sushi. Any suggestions you have for what I can call you guys? Because come on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Caitlin's Eating Show. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell to be notified when I do new uploads. And if you're not new, welcome back and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. In today's video, we are going to be eating shrimp sushi. It has mayo and teriyaki sauce on top. And I'm super hungry and I am super excited. I haven't had sushi in a while. And we have tons of soy sauce because I love soy sauce. So, let's break these up. So this cost me, I just got it from Sobeys. Cost me $8.99. And that's kind of expensive. Usually you get extra shrimp on top or something and there's nothing. But hope it's good. I've never tried sushi from Sobeys before. So, let's start by adding all the soy sauce in the bowl. How do you guys like your sushi? Do you just use like a little bit of soy sauce or do you load it up? I'm pretty big on soy sauce. I love it. I couldn't eat sushi without soy sauce. And the Kikkoman, the bento, best soy sauce. And I'm like a soy sauce snob. There's a lot of soy sauce I won't eat. I'm really picky. Hashtag soy sauce snob, soy sauce snob. Say that 5 times fast. Okay. So there's all my soy sauce. And we have water to drink today. Because yeah, I'm not feeling good at all. I haven't felt good past 4 days. I don't know. Everyone I feel like in my family is getting sick. Let's dig in. Don't make fun of my chopstick skills. Okay, I'm no expert. Okay. Okay, let's try this bad boy. So hungry. That's good. Whew. A lot of the times when I get sushi, it's spicy as if like some of the wasabi touched it, or I have no idea. So I am going to be doing the homemade dip video soon. I promise. I'm not going to film myself cooking it, obviously, just eating it. But I'll tell you guys how I made it. So good. Have you guys been liking my consistent uploads? I'm trying to upload lots for you guys. This is definitely hitting the spot. So yeah, my son was sick, like pukey sick last week or something. And my daughter got sick. And I've been like, haven't had too much of an appetite. I've been feeling sick. I don't know why. My husband feels sick now. I swear, someone is always sick here. Not good. So it's shrimp, looks like avocado, cucumber, mayo, and teriyaki sauce. Do you guys like shrimp? Do you guys like shrimp? Do you guys like sushi? I like fresh sushi, it's the best. Oh no, soy sauce everywhere. Lick it off. I love shrimp. Like if I were to pick like my favorite seafood or whatever, it's shrimp. I'm a mess eating sushi. I would love to do like a big Red Lobster video, but Red Lobster is an hour for me, one way. Do you guys want to see a Red Lobster video? I get shrimp pasta, garlic shrimp, let me know. If you guys want to see it, I'll drive an hour there, an hour back and film. Let me know. Come on. So we're supposed to be getting the final inspection done for our deck today. That has been kind of a nightmare, but anyways. Hopefully everything goes smoothly or I'm gonna be like really annoyed. I'm already really annoyed. Yeah, I'm not gonna get into why. But yeah. Why can't stuff just go smoothly? I don't understand. Last bite, and I am tired. After this, I'm going to bed. Oh, it's just one of those days. My husband came home early from work because he's sick. My son is home from school because he's sick. Come on, let's just get better. That was so good. I haven't had that in a while. So much rice caught in my teeth. My gums. So that's it. I am all done my delicious sushi. And again, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'm trying to figure out a name that I can call you guys. I was thinking like Num Nums. Do you guys think that's stupid? I thought like, when something tastes good, you go num 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 num. So I was thinking my Num Nums. But let me know in the comments any suggestions you have for what I can call you guys, because come on, like we need a name. And then maybe I'll do a poll or something on Instagram and we can figure out a name. So Instagram link will be below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.